Hi, I'm Daniel Duggan from Rhythm Resource, and I'd love to invite you to join me doing some body percussion. Let's start with a very simple rhythm. We're going to do 2 stomps and 1 clap, like this. Stomp, stomp, clap, stomp, stomp. A very famous rhythm. This is a We Will Rock You drum rhythm. Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4, stomp. Excellent. Now, let's add in some extra beats and build this rhythm up. We're going to do 4 beats on our knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a stomp. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, stomp. Try it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, stomp. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, stomp. Excellent. Now let's add a clap. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, stomp, clap. Should we try it together? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, stomp, clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, stomp, clap. Excellent. Now, if we put that whole thing together, it would look like this. Yeah, stomp, stomp, clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, stomp, clap. Should we try it together slowly? Here we go. So stomp, stomp, clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, stomp, clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, stomp, stomp, clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, stomp, clap. Yep, stomp, stomp, clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, stomp, clap. Excellent. Now, let's add some words. And I call this resilient rhythms, because all the words are around this very important and powerful message of resilience, being strong on the inside, so that when we face challenges and tough situations, you don't give up. The words go, don't give up even when it gets tough. Don't give up even when it gets tough. So it'll sound and look like this. Don't give up even when it gets tough. Don't give up even when it gets tough. Should we try it together? 4 times, and then we'll do a drum roll with our feet where you're going to run on the spot and then jump in the air. Let's try it after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't give up even when it gets tough. Don't give up even when it gets tough. 2 more. Don't give up even when it gets tough. 1 more. Don't give up even when it gets tough. Drum roll, run with the feet, then jump after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah! Excellent. That was just a very short excerpt of my Resilient Rhythms body percussion that live streamed directly to the school, either into a gym hall or directly into the classroom, where all of the students can engage using the oldest type of drum kit in the world, which of course is your body, and bring in the important message of resilience. So tapping, clapping, smiling, and jumping, and learning to be strong and keep going. So much fun. Okay, let me introduce this drum to you. This is the cajon. This is an Afro-Peruvian hand drum that's lots of fun to play and really easy. And it sounds like a whole drum kit. You have a bass sound. You have a snare sound. Then you put the sounds together like this. Woo! Oh, yes. Like, it's so much fun. So my in-person, COVID-safe drumming workshops work like this. Every student has their own drum. The drums are spaced, sanitized. The sessions can take place inside or, weather permitting, outside, and the students learn how to play the cajon drum and some of the other instruments I have. The ganza, the agogo bells, and the tambourine. Wow, yeah. And all of the rhythms are around this important and powerful message of resilience, like this. Don't give up even when it gets tough. Don't give up even when it gets tough. Keep on going and don't give up. Yeah! Wow. So whether it's in person or online, your students will be tapping, clapping, smiling as they have a fully interactive drumming experience. And when health guidelines allow, Rhythm Resource can come to your school and do a whole school show. My school show is called Release the Rhythm, where we introduce drums from around the world. Again, it's fully interactive, tapping, clapping, and drumming together, bringing the important message of diversity unity and synergy. You can check out my trailer movie on my Art Starts profile page. Click Release the Rhythm Show. For now, I'd love to leave you with a very short excerpt of my 2019 showcase presentation. Enjoy it. Thanks so much. Have a wonderful day. Take it down quietly. Let's go back into our rhythms. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, count on. Finish with our last rhythm. Release the rhythm. Get louder, 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 louder.